Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
We're back with another video. Today's video, there's a new video for TNT Boys. And I think they're singing And I Am Telling You.
Oh,
and I am telling you.
Let me tell you a quick backstory. I was about to go
so
to sleep.
tired.
Yani opened YouTube and he's like, oh my god, TNT Boys, we must film.
Because we have to watch it.
It's midnight. I'm tired. I worked all day.
Because we're looking for a video to watch. We always look for a video to watch before sleeping. And then
YouTube suggests us the videos. It's
I
better
know.
than you guys.
No, it was uploaded just an hour ago, so let's not blame them.
Okay.
Anyway,
so
without further ado, let's just gonna do it. And go ahead, subscribe and everything, and follow us and everything.
There we go.
Oh, they're doing choreo again, I think. Oh, this was the this was the performance that Ariana Grande showed up, and Ariana Grande ruined the performance. So I wanna, cause it was actually a good performance. I could hear their blending. I wanna hear it all.
Yeah.
But Ariana Grande came in, so they couldn't sing.
I love the outfits.
Runway.
Wow. It's like an airplane landing.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god, Kiefer's attitude.
Yeah. Oh my god, that attitude.
I can't wait for the comments from the judges.
Yeah. I have to say the facial expressions, they change so much throughout the year.
Wow. Okay. Oh, RuPaul is impressed, but then they're gonna give him.
Wow, he's playing with the camera, look at that.
Yes! Okay. Oh my god, he's so good!
Choreo!
Oh!
Are you kidding
They got some
me?
body rolls going! The attitude, our faces. Bitch!
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Where did that whistle come from? Where did that whistle come from?
Oh my god, insane.
Oh, they did the pose too.
Insane.
They were, look at it. RuPaul's impressed, but
Yeah,
then he's gonna
yeah.
give them another 48, not 50. I hate RuPaul. But look at the stage. Doesn't that remind you of the movie setting?
I am, yeah, that's true.
The mirrors?
I'm loving this. The stage is beautiful.
Oh my god, I'm so proud of being Filipino. Oh my god.
And then I realised whenever you sing, you just blow the roof off the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably why. What did our American judges think? Oh, am I gonna love them? I already love them.
He sounded so cute.
These are like three chipmunks.
I know.
Perfect. You boys
Pitch perfect.
are fabulous.
They were
The
perfect.
embodiment of what this show is about. It is an all ages party and everyone's invited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we are all.
I wonder what the
witnessing,
score they're gonna get.
Superstars.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are.
I really do. Can I say? You have the kind of confidence that allows the audience to relax and enjoy your performance. I just feel like the luckiest person in the world to sit here.
Wow.
Sit here with us.
Wow.
I'm curious about their
Nice.
score now.
Very nice.
You've
Very
been
nice.
excited about the return of these boys since they first auditioned. What did you think tonight?
I've told everybody, the boys are coming back, the boys are coming back. I am your biggest fan forever and ever and ever and ever. Your TNT, I don't know what that stands for, totally natural talent.
What does TNT stand for? What does it stand for?
It's Dynamite, no? It's the abbreviation of Dynamite.
Oh, maybe.
Listen, show business is tough. It's a hard room. I'm not sure if you won the judges over tonight.
Thanks.
Well, what's their score?
Oh,
What's the score?
it's okay. Good night, guys.
Your legs, Fabio. Come
Bye.
back. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye,
Bye.
guys.